What if you walked into these places and no one ever saw you again? First one, the Bennington Triangle, Vermont. This quiet forest has a dark secret. In the 1940s, 5 people disappeared here without a trace. The weirdest case? A college student named Paula was hiking in broad daylight when she literally vanished mid-step. Search teams found 0 clues, like the woods swallowed her whole. Second, the Alaska Triangle. Move over, Bermuda Triangle. Alaska's version is way scarier. Over 20,000 people have disappeared here since the 1970s. Planes fly in and never come out. In 1972, a U.S. congressman's plane vanished with no wreckage ever found. Some pilots report their compasses going crazy here. Third, Skinwalker Ranch, Utah. Even scientists think this ranch is haunted. The Pentagon secretly studied it for UFOs and weird creatures. Ranchers report invisible things shoving people, strange wolf-like beasts that don't bleed when shot, lights zipping across the sky at impossible speeds. Fourth, Great Smoky Mountains, Tennessee, near North Carolina. America's most popular national park hides a dark mystery. Over 1,600 visitors have disappeared here, often on simple hikes. The creepiest part? Some vanished within minutes of their group, like they stepped into thin air. Rangers still can't explain it. Fifth, Hoia Baciu Forest, Romania. This forest is called Europe's Bermuda Triangle. People report phones, smartwatches randomly dying, feeling watched by something unseen. A girl who vanished for 5 years, then reappeared wearing the same clothes with no memory of what happened. Scientists have theories: gas leaks, sinkholes, even secret government experiments. But the truth? These places are keeping their secrets. For now.
Comment your theory below and follow for more unsolved mysteries.